All right, so we're gonna work with wedges. One thing I'm starting to see is that a lot of you guys are hitting it a little fat, which means you're hitting it behind the ball. So with the wedge, what we wanna do is we wanna line it up kind of towards our back foot, where a driver's gonna be more off our front foot. And we wanna catch ball first. So back here is no good, middle of the ball is no good. We wanna ball first and then brush the ground through to get it up in the air. We're gonna use the bounce of the club. The bounce is a little sole right here, kind of kicks it up off the turf after you hit the ball. So a drill we can use to kind of catch ball first and get a little better with our wedges is we put a towel down about 3 inches behind the ball. Just put a towel down right here. And then we'll use this ball. And the goal is to not touch the towel on the way back or the way through. See if I can hit a good one out there and give you a good demonstration. Kind of like that. We just want to make sure everything's a little cleaner. That's what this visual does for us. It gives us a little cleaner view of how we want to do it. John, why don't you step up and hit a few? There you go. All right, so we want to set it up off the back foot. Check that. Choke down in that club a little bit more. Good. Alright, notice how the towel hasn't moved?
Oh, it's in the hole.
Great shot. Alright, so we're going to go one more. I don't know why you wouldn't stop on that, but just to show the demonstration here. Hold on, let's move it back just a little bit. Test you since you just hit a good one. Clip the towel a little bit, but as you can see, still ball first. That was kind of in the air on the way down, not hitting back here. Main thing with wedges is a majority of your shots in golf come from within 100 yards, like putting, chipping, pitching, wedges included. So we really want to kind of iron out all that and use this drill. You can use it anytime. You can use it pitching, chipping, on the driving range with your other irons, at a wedge course like this. Pretty useful. You can take that with you wherever you go and kind of use that one. Alright, so we worked on chipping and now we're going to try pitching. So the difference between pitching and chipping is, as we said, pitching you're going to try and get it up in the air, which is more useful for a shot like this where you kind of have an uphill to go. So one thing I like to teach when pitching is kind of keeping it a triangle, if you will. So you kind of connect the hands and that creates a point of a triangle. It comes up to your armpits, there's the base, and create the triangle. I like to think of keeping that together and using the least amount of wrist hinge as possible, because that creates a lot more clean contact and a lot less chunked or thin shots when you kind of get wristy with it. It also creates a good amount of spin too. So why don't we take a look at what we're working with here. Everyone feel free, hit a couple up there. All right, stay down a little bit, please. All right, well done, Lucky. So one thing I want to kind of see is kind of stand up a little more and just kind of use the triangle a little bit better. So I think it's time for a drill with you.